Kaugnay na balitang yan, hindi empleyado ng Office of the Vice President si Colonel Raymond Lachica. Yan ang isiniwalat ng witness sa si Lemuel Ortoño sa impeachment trial ng pangalawang Pangulo. May report si Patrick Gupo.
Sir, you are a very highly educated person from prestigious schools. Come on, it doesn't make sense. It defies logic. In fact, pumirma ka doon sa pag-reply mo sa IOM.
I asked sir
So
kung ano
pumirma
yung
ka
process.
nakapikit. Now, parang, sorry sir, parang nagmaang-maangang ka. Again, is it blind loyalty?
Ilan lang yan sa maanghang na hirit ni Senator Judge Raffy Tulfo kay OVP Assistant Chief of Staff Lemuel Ortoño sa ika-19 na araw ng impeachment trial. Kinwestiyon ni Tulfo kung bakit hindi nausisa ni Ortoño ang detalye ng ilang transactions sa confidential funds. Gita man ni Ortoño, hindi niya alam ang mga pangalan na nakasaad sa acknowledgement receipts at nalaman na lang niya ang tungkol sa mga ito nang ipakita ang mga dokumento sa pagdinig ng House of Representatives. Samantala, bago ang cross-examination, muling nagtalo ang depensa at prosecution sa issue ng leading at misleading questions.
When I said they are allowed, I was referring to leading questions. I was indeed asking a leading question before Attorney Kapunan objected.
The statement of counsel is misleading because it was very clear that the immediate phrase which led to my remark was not about leading, it was about misleading, Your Honor.
Nang tanungin naman ng Senator Judge Tito Soto III si Ortoño kung anong employment status ni Colonel Raymond Lachica sa OVP, sagot niya,
Colonel Lachica po is the group commander of the VP-SPG and he is not an employee of the OVP.
tinanong din ni Senate President Win Gatchalian kung bakit buong buo ang tiwala niya kay Lachica. Sagot niya,
First, sir, is because he's the security officer, sir. So, I believe, sir, na siya yung the best person that can provide the information. And then, second, sir, as the security officer, sir, he was designated by our head of agency, which I believe also gave the trust and confidence to him to implement the activities.
umani naman ang reaksyon mula sa prosecution ang paghahambing ni Senator Judge Robin Padilla sa paggamit ng mga alias ng mga bayani at ng mga pangalan nakasaad sa acknowledgement receipts ng confidential funds. Para kay House Charles spokesperson Representative Zia Alonto Adyong, hindi ito usaping pagiging makabayan, kundi usapin ng pag-audit sa paggamit ng pondo ng bayan.
Poor attempt to make it appear like the confidential funds was done in a way to display a degree of patriotism on the part of the head of the agency.
Para naman kay Deputy Speaker Janet Garin, hindi dapat ikumpara ang mga bayaning nagsakripisyo sa bayan para ipagtanggol ang kinekwestyong paggamit ng confidential funds. Patrick Gupo, IBC News.